all going to want to chase the queen, but we're not going to let them do it. Okay, now see this cork?
Yep.
Ah, shit. It's got stung. God darn it. Bastards.
Gonna be okay?
Yep. Like other gloves. Now, what we want to do is see this honey here? This candy.
Yeah.
That's important. We're going to take this cork and then we're going to dig some of the candy out too. So since it's cold, we want the queen to be as they've already been in with her, so they know her pheromone.
Yeah.
So let's give me this. And give me a couple of. So I'm gonna put this way. And strap her in with those rubber bands.
Go like this?
Yep. One that way. Do two more, please.
Okay.
We don't want it falling off. All right. So now what they're going to do is they're going to come here and start eating their way to the queen. The queen has a red dot on her.
Yep, I see it.
Okay, so use your queen. See her?
Yep, I see it.
Okay, so now keep her out of this wind. We don't want her to get cold and die on us. So we're screwed. We have to find a queen.
Okay.
Okay, so back up. I'm going to start putting these things
Where
back in.
am I going to put her at?
You're just going to hold her, and
Okay.
then when I ask for her, when we put these things back in,
Yeah.
we're going to put her in the middle.
Okay.
All right. So, yeah, you might want to step back. Okay, give me the queen. Are there 10 in there?
There's one more right there.
Okay. All right, that's good. This is going to go right there. We don't want it over the queen. Good. Now these characters now there I'm going to start flying into the
Okay.
cage. That's okay, they're fine. Now since it's cold, it's gonna
They're going to make it?
oh they'll make it. They're just gonna have to now do you have a big rock we're gonna put on top of this for now?
I can get one, yeah.
You get a rock, otherwise you're gonna have a raccoon trying to get here and eat you.
Yeah. So no, use a rock instead of a strap?
I would right now use a rock because you're gonna have to get in and out of this thing.
Okay.
So find a decent sized brick.
Okay.
You have one?
Yep. No, lots of them.
Okay, once you grab one, and I'll see if these characters are trying to fly or if we should try to get more of them in. you'll be fine. Now these, see, they're starting to walk in.
Yep.
So the guys down here are gonna get there sooner or later. So let's just let those do their thing. I'm gonna go get some burlap out of my car. We'll try to put some burlap up here for the night,
Okay.
and then keep the burlap, and it's good for your smoker.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, so let's put some there to kind of keep a little warmth in here, because that's all they have is each other.
Yeah.
So let me go grab some. Pardon?
I was just squaring it up. That's all.
Yeah, you might want to bring it that way. Yeah, okay, let me go get some burlap.
Oh, he flew off.
This might be a stupid question, but he has bees on him. Are they going to go with him in the car?
Yeah.
Or are they?
Well, he's not going to get in the car. I brushed him off before. He's going to grab the car.
They're on his back.
Yeah, I know.
So,
I already brushed a bunch off of
so
him.
we just brushed them off.
That's what I did. I don't know if I'm supposed to.
Well,
I was just not come off.
because otherwise they need to be with me. They're used to this height. We might as well go. I don't know how the girlfriend thing works.
Me neither. I don't know if that's cheating or what.
I don't know.
He gets in trouble?
I don't know.
Like they know you had another girlfriend?
I didn't know we had so many girlfriends. I'm fine. It's like this strip when he has his hives. And then I can't find it.
Yeah, that's why I... Are you kidding me?
It's frozen. Is that frozen sap?
Could be just dried out. Could be.
See, it's 40, almost 50 degrees. It doesn't feel like it.
And then no later than Wednesday, come out and make sure they've gotten her out of that cage.
Okay.
If they haven't, just take something and gently just pull all that stuff out and release her. But they're going to go in and try to release her now.
Okay.
And these guys should start, I don't know if there's food right there or something. But see how they're starting to fly in?
Yep.
Hopefully by the end of the day, they'll be in there. This is why you want a nice rock on here to keep this thing from going too far. So let's put the rock on and we'll pick up all your other stuff. And then when it gets warm out finally, you want to take this top off in the next couple of days, because you want them to you don't put this on again until those big boards are at least 75% full of comb.
Okay.
Otherwise they start moving in and then it gets cold and stuff and they never have enough warmth. Okay? All right, so let's get all your tools and stuff and we'll let these...
When in doubt, just touch me.
This might take a day or two for these all to get up in here, but and that must be the one that stung me, the dead one right there. So, but yeah, they're starting to move now. They're getting out of the shock of being here.
Where you have some on, you can just brush those off.
Yeah. Okay, and if you want, if you know, you can probably cut that wiring a little at the fencing, or what do you want to call it. But they'll find their way out in due time. So I just kind of let them go at this point. All right.
Sounds good.
So now they're coming to this because there's honey on it. These are treated with
Are these yours or theirs?
those are Aaron's. So they're
Who's taking those in?
see, the bees are trying to get
Yeah,
on
they're
them.
on it. I was wondering why I had wasps on it.
Well, they're
When I
pre-coated.
took them in the house.
They're pre-coated with honey, or beeswax. So
Yeah.
now they're trying to.
Yeah, look at them.
Yeah, they're trying to get into this thing and start combing it out. So, yeah, we want this in the garage, someplace where the bees won't try to get to them.
I can take
We grab this. I'll grab the rest.
I can grab the 2. And then we'll get those beads off. I guess.
See, there's 3 on there already trying to get to work. They're very industrious, if nothing else. I'm amazed at how organized they are. They're just incredible. But don't put that thing, take that with us too, that
The feeder?
feeder. You don't want that until your hive is a very,
Okay.
if it's a very strong hive, you can do that. But since there's 3,000 bees right now, if a hive of 50,000 see that, they're going to come in and take it because it's easy food. And you're going to have your hive's going to be dead.
Okay.
And your phone.
Oh, it's recording all them little bees right now.
Yeah, you got like